boots hit the dirt, the morning's cold. The barn's alive with the cattle sound. Another day's work on the sacred ground. I'm a cowgirl, born to roam under wide open skies I call home. With calloused hands and a heart so free, this country life's the life for me. Feed the horses, mend a broken fence, sweat on my brow, it all makes sense. The prairie's calling, the wind's soft hum. There's no place better than where I'm from. I'm a cowgirl, born to roam under wide open skies I call home. With calloused hands and a heart so free, this country life's the life for me. Stars at night, they light my prayer for the land I work and the love I share. Out here I'm strong, I belong, I'm me. Under heaven's roof, eternally. Morning coffee and saddles warm, chasing dreams on fields of corn. The radio plays as the tractor hums. This life ain't easy, but it's where I'm from.
You got it. Sige ma, liyok dayon ma. Na 3 minutes na. Sige na kayo mo 5 minutes. 7 na. Sige, bangko na. Dahil mo 4 minutes na. Di ma, 4:16 na. Ako sunod ma. Okay, wala pa sila like ka. Paul, lubuhay mo sige na Paul. Ikaw sunod na pod. Ako sa Yut.
Ilan na minutes?
Dili 30 seconds na lang. Kina na. 50 na. 50 na ma.